Hello everyone, welcome to you all in my YouTube channel. So guys, I hope you have seen my previous video of multi-threading playlist. So in that already I've discussed what all the approach we have to get the synchronization concept in multi-threading. Means with the help of synchronization method and synchronization block, how we can achieve synchronization in multi-threading. Correct? Already these two approach I have discussed end to end with the code base. But today I am going to explain why a static synchronization came into picture if already we have these two approach. So guys, you should know, right? So these two approach generally we are going to use on the object level, guys. But the static synchronization we are using class level. That is the main difference we should know. So if we are going to use a static synchronization, that means it will work on the class level. But if you're going to use synchronization method or synchronization block, that is used on the object level, guys. So that difference we should understand. So I will explain, guys, first what is the problem in earlier approach and how we can get this, how we can resolve that problem with the help of a static synchronization. So guys, understand this thing with our real time code base, guy. So guys, see, let's understand without any further delay with our code base, guy, how we can understand why this static synchronization is useful to us even if we have earlier two approach with the help of synchronization method, with the help of synchronization block, right? So you see, I will explain first problem. What is the problem in earlier approach? Then why we shift in a static synchronization approach. So guys, see, I will create one application, guy. I will create one application. In the application, I will give one real-time scenario example, guy. So guys, everyone, we are what watching the movie, guy. Yes or no? Everyone, we watch the movie. So once if you're going to watch the movie, definitely we are buying the ticket. Yes or no? We are buying the ticket. So once you buy the ticket, at the same time, multiple people are buying the ticket. Okay, suppose seats are limited. Seats are limited and people are multiple. That means objects are multiple. Then how this scenario will what come into picture? That thing I would like to explain in this example, guy. So guys, see, I will create one class. That class name, guy. The class name, guy. Suppose book my show application. What, guy? Book my show application. Guys, see, this is our application name. Book my show application. Guys, see, I should have one main method. Finish. Guys, see, I have created, guy, one application. The name of the application is book my show application. Okay, yes. Guys, see. So guys, see, whenever if you're going to watch the movie in theater, guy, so guy, you will have one class. That class name, guy, book theater seats. Yes, okay, book theater seats. Okay, the class name, guy, book theater seats. Okay, yes, guys, see. So in this class, guy, I will have what some specific seat. Guys, see, in theater, guy, you know very well. Some theater 100 seats are there. Some theater 200 seats are there. Assume, guy, one book my application is there. In that total seats is suppose 20. So you see, I'm taking a static seats, guy, a static value. Int total seats equals to 20. Okay, very simple. Okay, what I'm going to explain the example is very simple. You need to understand, guy. If you understand this example, so you can understand also why we need a static synchronization concept in our multi-threading. Correct guy? Yes. So you see, I have created one class. The class guy book theater seats. In the class, if you will have total seats is 20. Correct? Yes. Guys, see, if your total seats is 20, definitely we want to purchase this. So guys, see, for purchase, definitely you should have some method. Yes or no? You should have some method. That method name, guys, suppose void book seat. Book seats. Guys, see, book seats is a method. Guys, see, this method expects some input. How many seats you would like to book? That means, guys, int seats. I'm giving a int seats. Correct? Yes. Guys, see, suppose this method gets synchronized. Suppose this method gets synchronized. Guys, do you know what is synchronized? If you don't know this guy, what is synchronized, please watch my previous video. Then you'll come to know what is synchronized. Guys, this synchronized keyword we are using here method level. That means if you would like to achieve synchronization with the help of synchronized block, okay, or synchronized method, you need to watch my previous video. Suppose this is our method level synchronized. Correct? Yes. Guys, see, I've created one method. That method name is book seats. Then it expect how many seats you would like to book. Correct? Guys, see, then next step. So how we are going to book the seat, guy? We are writing some logic. We are writing some check. We are writing some check here, guy. So guys, see, you know very well, I am writing here if total seats, guy. Suppose if total seats, guy, how much? 28. So if total seats, guy, greater than equal to, if total seats is greater than equal to what? Requested seat, guy. Suppose this seats means this seats requested by end user or what? Person who wants to watch the movie. Yes. Yes. See, if total seats greater than equal to seats, then only we can jump into respective block. Then we can enter in the if block, guy. So what we can do, guy? We can print or we can book the seat. So I'm writing some statement, guy. So sys out. Okay. So guy, what I can write in sys out? So how many seats, guy, we are booking? So I can write, guy, seats. Then we can write, guy, what? Seats booked successfully. Yes or no? Seats booked successfully. Correct? Yes. Seats booked successfully. Correct? Yes. If this condition satisfied. So after booking the seats, guy, we can print the statement how many remaining seats left out. So guys, how you can find out how many remaining seats are there now? So guys, see, we have total seats. We know very well, right? Total seats equals to total seats minus seats. Yes or no? That will give how many seats are remaining. Correct? So you see, this thing also we can print. How you can print, guys? Sys out, right? And we can add, guys, seats not right. You can directly write seats left. Seats left. Then total seats. Correct? Yes. That means how many seats left after booking the seats. Correct? Yes. That logic we need to write. So after this logic, I see. Suppose if this condition satisfied, so we are executing this line of statement. Correct? Suppose if this condition is not satisfied, then directly we can what? Trigger into our else part. Yes. So what we can write in the else part, Simple, So sys out sys out. Okay, so sits and we can write guy sorry you cannot book the seat, you cannot book the seat. Why guys? This statement will print. Why guys? This statement will print because our seats will be less than the total seats. Only in that case it will come into else block. So you can print seats, whatever seats are remaining. Sorry, you can't book the seats. Correct guy? Yes. And guy, also we can print how many seats are there. So guys, see, you can write this statement and print this place. So what? So you can write seats left, that much total seats. Correct? Yes. So guys, see, this condition you need to write. Only you can book the seat. Okay, this is our normal, very simple condition. Guys, see. So already I have explained, guys. Already I have told you, right? So this, what is the problem first? You need to understand, right? What is the problem in this program without using our static synchronization? Once we will get the problem, then we can utilize static synchronization. Correct? Yes. Guys, see, for the purpose, guys, you will create, or we have to create multiple thread. So guys, this time I will create what? I will create 2 thread, guys. Okay? Okay, understand here. I will create 2 thread here. Come here, guys. So guys, see, I am creating thread. So class my thread, what? A. Extends from thread class. Guy, you know very well how to create a thread. If you don't know, please watch my previous video, guy, or initial video of multi-threading playlist. So if you watch that video, you should not have single confusion how to create thread. So guys, generally we have two approach to create thread with the help of extending our class from the thread class or implementing from the runnable interface. But this time in this program, I'm going to create thread with the help of my class extending from thread class. Correct guys? You can see here. Right? So class my thread A extend class thread. Correct guys? Yes. Guys, see. So guys, see, after creating a thread guy here, okay, so what I'm doing here, so guys, see, already you know here, right? So one class we have created, that is book theta seats. So I'm creating the object of this class, guy. So guys, see, book theta class object I'm going to create in this thread, guy. Yes, guys, see, book theta seats, and guys, see, I'm creating the object of this class. Correct? Yes. Then guys, see, I will create how many seats we want to book. Guys, see, int seats. Correct? Int seats. Guys, see, why I'm creating thread, guys? Because I want to perform operation. Yes. Correct? Guys, see, now we can create, guys, one constructor of this my thread A. Guys, I will create constructor of my thread A. Guys, you know very well how to create constructor. I hope you know very well how to create constructor. You can select these two fields, come here, source, and come here, guys, generate constructor using field. Guys, you think after seats, you can put after seats, guys, and you can generate. Guys, see, we can see here. So your constructor has created. Guys, see, your constructor has created, guy. Guy, you know very well also, right? Why we are going to create constructor, guy? Because while creating the object of thread class, we can initialize. Yes or no? we can initialize this object. That's why we need constructor. Guys, it's simple. If anybody asks you why you need constructor of any class, then you can say we can initialize the object. That's why we need constructor. Correct? Yes. Then guys, see, after creating the constructor, so guys, we need to we need to override our run method. Yes or no? Yes. So how we can override run method, guys? You know very well. So guys, see, we have one method void run. Yes or no? Void run. That is a public method. Yes or no? Public. Good. Yes. Good guy. Yes. Good guy. So you see, already we have created the object of our book theater class. So b dot which method guy? Book seats method. So you can see book seat method. We can call with our input seats. Good. Guys, is same like we can create other what? Thread. Same guy and create other thread also. Means I would like to create one more thread guy. So copy and come here guy. I can paste here. Only I will change the name of the thread class. Guys, see my thread B, and guy this is also my thread B. Nothing a part of that I am going to change here. Correct? Yes. So guys, see as of now I have two thread. Thread A, thread B. Correct guy? So I have created two thread. Thread A, thread B. Then guy, main thing I'm going to explain you. Guys, see. So guys, see in main method guy, I will create object of our book theater guy. So I'll create two object guy. I'll create two object. So book theater sits guys, see. Guy, you know very well how to create object of our book theater guy. Come here, copy, and guys, see come here. Excuse me. And guys, see book theater sits b1 equals to new what guy? Book theater sits. Correct? Yes. Guys, see I've created object of our book theater sits b1 guy. Correct? Yes. Guys, see. Then guys, see I will create what? The my thread object also. My thread A guy. See. Then guys, see my thread A. I come here. So my thread A T1 equals to what? New my thread A. Yes or no? Guys, see. Guys, you come to know now. So already I have created one constructor of our my thread class. Yes or no? Guys, see. Then guys, we need to initialize that guy b1 object. Then guys, see this time how many seats you would like to book. Guys, see suppose if I would like to book 5 seats guys. Yes. Guys, see means thread 1 will book 5 seats. Correct? Yes. Then guys, see after creating this my thread object, you can start the thread guy. Only it can what? Perform this operation guy. Because you know very well. Because once you start the thread, only it will activate our run method. I hope this thing you know very well guy. So guys, t1 dot run method. Guys, see t1 dot run method coming out. Yes. This method is coming guy. t1 dot run method, right? Yes. So guys, see same way guy, I will create one more thread guy. Yes or no? I'll create one more thread guy. So guys, see my thread B, my thread B guy T2 new my thread B guy. This time suppose this thread guy book 7. Okay, any question guy? I hope no, right? Yes. Then guys, see what we can do. T2 dot start. T2 dot start guy. See, then only it will perform the operation guy. Okay, this time also T2 not run guy, T2 start. I mistakenly have given T2 run guy. So T1 dot start guy. Right? Yes. T2 dot start. Good. Good guys, see. So I have created this two thread guy, T1 and T2, and I have started the thread. Right? Yes. Then guys, see, if I will create one more object, if I will create one more object, guys, see, that is book theater seats B2. Okay, guys, see, I'll create book theater seats B2. Okay, yes. Then guys, see what I'm going to understand. So guys, see, I will create one other thread. Okay, that is guys my thread A, and guys this is T3. And guys, this time I'm going to pass our B2 object, whatever created guy. Suppose guys this is 8, correct? This expect 8 is to purchase. Yes. Same guy, I will start our T3 dot start. Yes or no? Yes. Guys, see start. Once we start guy, only this run method will be activated, will initiated. Otherwise, it cannot initiate this method guy. Correct guy? Then guys, see, I am going to get one more thread guy. Okay, Control C and come here. Same thing I'm going to paste here. Only need to change the name of the thread guy. Okay, that is our T4. Yes or no? And guys, this time is our thread B. Yes or no? This is our thread B. Yes or no? Yes. And guys, see, suppose this time this thread will purchase 9 ticket. Yes or no? Yes. And guys, this time guys, what we can do? T4 dot start. T4 dot start. Yes, guys, see. So see, now we have 4 thread guys. 2 or 4 thread. Yes or no? T1, T2, T3, T4. Correct? We have 2 different thread. Correct guys? Yes. Guys, see. Once I will run the application guy, then tell me guy, what should be the result expected guy? So we have total seats are 20 guy. You can see here. Total seats are 20 we have. But guys, see how many seats we have requested to purchase guy? 5 plus 7, 12 plus 8, 28 plus 9, 7 plus 5, 12, 12 plus 8, 20 plus 9, 29. Guys, tell me, is it possible? Can we buy 29 seats? If we have 20 seats, we see guys. We'll see. We'll run the application guys, we'll see result. How many seats we are able to book. Guys, see. So every time you can see 8 seats booked successfully, 5 seats booked successfully guys, 7 seats booked successfully, 9 seats booked successfully. Guys, tell me, is it correct behavior? Guys, can you tell me, is it correct behavior? Absolutely wrong. Absolutely incorrect guys. Even if we have 20 seats, how we can book 29 seats? Guys, how we can book 29 seats guys? Guys, do you know why this problem is coming? Due to you have multiple object, and this lock is happening on the object level. Guys, this level. Lock is happening on the object level, not the class level. Because in a class we have 20 total seats, correct? But this lock is happening guys, this work is happening, this operation performing on the object level. First it's going to lock this thread guy, then it activate. Once this seat is booked, then directly it will booking next. You see, it's not happening on the class level, it's happening on the object level guy. I will draw a diagram, I will show you, don't worry. First we understand So this problem happening here due to object you working on the, this log is happening on the object level guy, not the class level. Okay, so guys, let's understand with the first, let's understand the solution for that. So as of now you can see guys, so all the time you can see 8 seats booked successfully, 5 seats booked successfully, 7 seats booked successfully, 9 seats. But guys, this should not be happen. Once 20 seats are booked, directly we can see you are not booked the seat. Yes or no? This message guy, you need to see. Sorry, you cannot book the seat because seats we have only 20. So guys, see, for that purpose guy, we have beautiful concept that is our static synchronization. What guy? Static synchronization. Guys, see, if I am going to put guy here static, guys, see, in corresponding you need to keep this variable as also static. Guys, see. So guys, see, after keeping the static keyword guy, after keeping this simple two keyword static displays, displays, guys, see, now if you run the application you will get perfect result guy. Guys, see, 5 seats booked successfully, 7 seats booked successfully, 9. Sorry, you cannot book the seats. Seats left 8. 8 seats booked successfully. Guys, see, seats left 0. Because you have total seats are 20. You know very well, right? You have total seats are how much guys? 20. You can see here. Total seats are 20 and 9 seats are more, right? Because you can see here. So 5 plus 7, 12 plus 8, 20 plus 9, 29. So only we are capable to book 20 seats, not more than 20 seats. Okay, you can see in this case. So this message generating guy, 9 seats you cannot book this. Why? Because 9 seats more. Guys, see. Again guy, if I run the application, we will see results. What will printing guy? Guys, see. This time guy, what happening you can see. Guys, see what happening you can see. 5 seats booked successfully. How many left guy? 15. After guy 9 seats booked successfully. See, last time this seat was not booked, but guy this time this is booked. So guys, see, after booking 9 seats guy, how many seats left guy? 6 seats. Guys, see, 8 6 8 seats you can't book the seats. Seats left guy 6. Sorry, you can't book seats because seats are left 6. They want to book 7. Guys, see, that is the result will print if you will use a static synchronization. Yes or no guys? Yes. Guys, see, let's understand with our what? Our diagram again. Let's understand with diagram. Guys, see. Guys, see. So guys, see, before using a static synchronization, how it's working guy, first let's understand. Guys, see, suppose guy, this guy, if you have this object guy, b1 object guy, suppose this one b1 object. Okay, this is our b1 object. This is our guy, this is our b1 object. Okay, please keep in mind. Okay, this is your b1 object. So guys, in b1 object guy, how many threads guy acting? Guy, tell me how many threads acting guy on b1? 2 threads guy, yes or no? T1 and T2, yes or no? Okay, we have 2 threads acting on the b1 object. Okay, yes or no? Yes. Okay, we have 2 threads. That thread guy our b1 and guy b2, yes or no? Yes. So guys, this is our suppose what T2 and guy this is our what T1. So guys, we have 2 threads acting on this b1 object. Guys, similarly if we have other what other object guy, just like our what b2, yes or no? B2 object, b2 over गए, yes or no? B2 over गए, कर गए B2 over. So guys, on that B2 over गए, how many threads acting गए? 2 thread गए, yes or no? 2 thread acting. So guys, thread T3 and guys thread what? T4, yes or no? Yes. Guys, see we have 2 thread acting on the what? B2 over गए. So over गए, which thread गए? Our acting on B2 गए, you know very well. That is गए our T3 and गए T4. T3 and T4 we have 2 thread acting on B2 of it. Guys, understand? Now what is the concept here? So guys, see, if you are not utilizing our static synchronization, then how it's working here? So guys, see, B1 object, one thread T1 came into picture, so it's blocking here. So first this object will block. Okay, so whatever thread come into picture here, so first suppose thread T1 booking 5 seats gap. So once this thread will book 5 seats, then this thread will come into picture. So you can see, then this thread will book remaining seat. Suppose 7 seats T2 is booking. Okay. So get till that time this B1 is blocked, means completely locked. Okay. So you see now, then this B2 will come into picture. Then it is seeing, okay, so this T3 will lock, will perform the task. So once it will perform the task or operation, then T3 will unlock and T4 will block. T4 means lock. So guys, you can see this block, this locking is happening on the object level. That's why guys, you can see we have total seats are 20, then 5 plus 7, directly they can book. Okay, then get T3 and T4, they also can book the seat, because T3 gets suppose 8 seat and T4 suppose 9 seat. So 9, 8, 17 seats. So in same time guy, so B1 and B2 both are what? Booking the seat. But guy, it is data inconsistency, because you will have only 20 seats, but it's booking 29 seats. But guy, that's why our big boss or beautiful concept, static synchronization, came into picture. So guys, in that case, you know what happening? Come here. Guys, see. So guys, this is our one class. Suppose guys, this is our class log. Guys. Suppose this is our guy class log. Okay. This is guy class log. Class element guy class log. Class log guy. You see, this is our class log. Guy, you know what happening here? So let's see, we have two objects here. We have two objects here. So inside the class guy, we have two objects here. Suppose this is guy B1. Okay, this is our B1 object. This is guy B1 object here. B1 object here. And guys, suppose this is our B2 object. This is our B2 object. Can you see? So you see, you know, so all the thread guy, whatever thread T1, whatever the thread T1 is here guy. And guy, see, this is our T2 guy. So guy, we have total how many thread guy? So how many thread? 4 thread guys. So no, T1, T2, T3, T4. Right? Yes. Guys, see. Come here. So guys, this is our guy third thread. Yes or no? This is third thread. And guys, see, this is our fourth thread guy, because we have T1, T2, T3, T4 thread guys, सुनो guys see correct guys. So guys, this is our fourth thread, correct? Yes. Guys, we have total four thread, yes or no? Yes. That means guys, T1, T2, T3, T4. Guys, yes or no? We have total what? Four thread guys. That is guys T1, or we can write guys in this way, so we will not confuse. So guys, that is our T1 thread. Correct guys. This is our T2 thread. Correct. And guys, this is our T3 thread. Yes. And guys, this is our T4 thread. Yes. T4 thread. Guys, see. So guys, see the all thread guy on lock state. This is all thread guy in lock state. So first T1 will come into picture. So it will book the seat. Then it will unlock the. Then guys, T2 will come into picture. Once it will done the operation, then it will come out. Then it will unlock. Then guys, T3 will lock, will perform the operation. Once it has done the his work, come out of the loop. Then guys, next T4 will enter. Then it occupy the lock. Once it has done task, then it will come outside. So guys, that means it is class level lock guy. It cannot work same time guy. So one by one it will perform the task, and once it perform the task, once it has done the task, then it unlock. Okay, see that is called our what static synchronization on the class level log guy. You can see okay, that is our class level log guy. Okay, once you're going to put a static, then it talks about this approach belongs to a static synchronization. I hope guys you understood this concept. So without a static, what the problem coming at? So data inconsistency. But if you're going to use a static synchronization, our problem will resolve. So you can see guys. See one more time I will run the application, you will see result. Guys, see 5C book successfully, 9C book successfully, 8 and 7 it cannot book because we don't have sufficient seat guys. So guys, that is most important concept of our multi-threading. How we can achieve the synchronous concept with the help of a static synchronization. So guys, I hope you understood clearly all these three approaches. If you understand this complete approach with code-based guy, definitely you should not have a single confusion while if you are attending any interview, right? You can give the answer to the interviewer very confidently. Yes, I know all these three approach. In which situation we can use what approach. So guys, that's it from this video. If you like a video guys, please like, share, subscribe. So I will bring such type of informative video in front of you. Guys, this is very simple. It looks like very simple, but guys, it not looks like simple guys. Because if the interview asks same thing to write in front of him, so he definitely most of the candidate confused. How we can what write the code very appropriately. That's it guys from this video. If you like the video, please like, share, subscribe. We will meet very soon in next video with new concept. Thank you guys. Bye bye.